Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I just wanted to start this video by saying that I am very disturbed by the things that are going on in the world currently with regard to human lives. I think in conjunction with the coronavirus and that changing all of our lives so significantly, there's been another thing that's emerged from this and just kind of makes you feel almost you're not safe leaving your house anymore because you might contract the virus. But in conjunction with that, if you're black or if you're a woman, leaving your house is 10 times more dangerous now. And it's just so concerning. It's even beyond concerning. It's a brutality I can't even fathom in my head. 2 nights ago, our president announced that South Africa will be moving to an advanced level 3, which will see the opening of sit-down restaurants and nail parlors, hairdressers, and a few other businesses just to keep the economy going. The infection rate is just continuing to rise in South Africa, and over the past 2 weeks we've seen so many cases of gender-based violence. It's becoming a second pandemic in our country. It's really serious, and women are just being raped, murdered, and killed just because they're women. There has been an increase in this since the alcohol ban was lifted in the country, although I don't think it's simply attributed to alcohol. I think alcohol definitely affects it, and for some men who drink, they do get a lot violent when they are under the influence. But this has been a problem for a very long time. And it's something that women undergo and face on a daily basis in South Africa. And it's not right. It's not okay. And I really hope that there is change. And not only change within society, but also in our social justice system, and how these rapists and murderers are dealt with. Because I can't even explain to you the brutality that has happened in the country in the past 2 weeks. I don't even want to repeat what has happened to these women because it's completely disgusting. It's not safe leaving the house because you're going to get coronavirus. And then the Black Lives Matter movement, the killing of innocent black people for absolutely no reason apart from the fact that they are black, for being discriminated purely based on your genetics. Because that's what it comes down to. You weren't chosen to be black. That's how you were born. It's where you come from. But in society, it's not accepted. In society, if you're born as a woman, it's not accepted. You're not valued. You're not worth it. Yet women are the ones who bring and create life. They bring life into the world. They create life within them. Women should be treated as queens. It shouldn't be a case of, oh, well, what were you wearing? What were you doing? What were you saying? How were you acting? Because those all of a sudden attribute to why you deserved what happened to you. It's just completely bizarre to me, and something that I can't digest. I can't live with. I hope that we do overcome this virus, and I know that we will as a country one day. It will be with us for a very long time, but this will end. I just hope that the brutality against black people and the brutality against women also ends. I hope there's a solution. I hope it's dealt with. I hope it stops. And I hope it's taken seriously by government and the justice system. I think it needs to be dealt with equally as serious as we are dealing with the coronavirus. There's a virus that we can't stop that's killing people, yet the people that walk among us are killing each other. That's just my thoughts. I obviously didn't want to start this video talking about this, but it's something that is happening amongst my peers and colleagues and society, and it's happened down the road. I mean, one of the women who was brutally murdered and killed was not too far away from my house, and that scares me to the core. And I didn't want to make a video and just come on here and seem like everything is fine, because everything's not fine. And if anything, I want this channel to be honest, and I want to be able to speak my mind, and I want to be able to talk about stuff that affects us as human beings, and not just, yes, it's a lifestyle channel, and yes, I show you parts of my life and I give you interesting content, but I also want the content that I give you and that I put up here to be meaningful and to resonate and to be real. And I just simply couldn't go on with my video without stating that and addressing it and saying that it's not okay and saying that it needs to stop, and we all need to take this really seriously. And if you're a man, stand up for women. You know, just because you're a man doesn't mean that this doesn't affect you either. You're obviously, you have a wife, you have a mother, you have daughters, you have sisters, you have aunts, you know, so you also have women in your life. So I would encourage you to stand up for them and speak for them, you know, and protect the women in your life, because it's not fair what's happening. And it's not okay. So I just felt like I needed to say that, and I needed to get it off my chest before we continue with this video. I hope you keep watching. If you do have any opinions, if you do have any feedback, definitely leave it in the comments. Be nice. And be sensitive to what is happening in the world, and sensitive to the fact that innocent people are losing their lives for absolutely no reason. So I hope you keep watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so now we are in my kitchen, and today is going to be a baking video, and we are going to be making, well, I'm going to be showing you how to make Malva pudding. So this is a South African dessert as far as I know. I have no idea how to make this from scratch, so I'm going to be using a pre-mixture, and it looks pretty simple, and I'm going to show you how I make it.